Hi, I'm David. Here at the Taborn District Community Adult Learning Association, we teach some basic math concepts. Most people are familiar with a multiplication chart, and if you start to fill it out, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3. People start to just fill out the chart. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Again, we start to see a pattern, 2, 4, 6. So we start to just fill out the chart without really thinking about what we're doing. We go, oh, I know that'll be 12, that'll be 14. But if we look at that chart a little bit and we say 2 times 7 is 14, why would it be 14? If we said, we either have a group of 2, like let's say we had $2 and we got $2 every day for 7 days. Well, you'd have $2 and then another $2 and another $2. You'd have that 7 times. And if you counted them, that'd be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 by the time you got to 7. So then it makes more sense to us that 2 times 7 equals 14. So it's 2 things 7 times, or it could be 7 things 2 times. If we had $7, if we got paid $7 a day for babysitting, and we babysat for 2 days, then we'd have the $14. So that's how the whole multiplication chart works. Also, if we look at division, we need to think about it also. Because let's say that we had, let's say we have 12 cookies and 3 children in our family. So we have to divide the cookies evenly among the 3 children. Well, we can think about it. We can go through basic math steps and say, how many times will 3 go into 12? And people will say 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. That's how we check the answer. And that's kind of rote math that we learn to do in school, but sometimes we don't think about what we're really doing. What we're really doing is taking 12 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if we had 12 cookies and we divided it by 3 children, maybe this is a child right here, and this is another child, and this is another child. Each child would get some cookies, and we can see that this child gets 4 cookies, and this child gets 4 cookies. And this child gets 4 cookies. So when we really look at a math problem like this in mathematical form, we need to also think what the math means, that we're saying 12 cookies divided by 3 children. It helps to learn our basic fracts from that chart, because then we can start to guess. We could start to guess and say, well, maybe every child will get 3 cookies. Well, if every child got 3 cookies, how many cookies would we have distributed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We would only have 9, so 3 times 3 would be 9. That's not quite right. We have some more cookies. So we can guess and check until we get the right answer. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then we check our answer. 4 times 3 is 12. There are no cookies left over, so we get a 0. Anyway, we like to try to understand the math as we work through math problems here. I hope you'll come and take some of the classes.